Welcome back to the EON Pulse podcast. Today's episode is a special one. EON AI Ventures just unveiled something that could redefine how nations create wealth in the digital era.
Exactly. EON AI Ventures, in collaboration with EON Reality, just launched EON WealthWeaver, a 7-platform AI venture factory set to replicate unicorn success in emerging markets.
Absolutely. It's called EON WealthWeaver, a 7-platform AI venture factory designed to systematically build the next generation of AI-powered businesses. Think of it as a distributed Silicon Valley you can plug into.
And at the center of it, the Unicorn Replication Protocol. It's based on deep analysis of 36 top AI unicorns. They've decoded the success DNA and turned it into actionable blueprints for emerging founders.
It's incredibly ambitious. You've got a 6-month EON Entrepreneur School, a founder scoring engine called Wayfinder, 24/7 AI mentors, no-code AI builder tools, and a marketplace with 136 million users on day one.
Not to mention an investment gateway using immersive XR for global fundraising. It's a full-stack system for building companies from zero to IPO.
WealthWeaver isn't just tech, it's infrastructure for inclusive innovation. Learn more and get involved at eonadventures.com. Thank you so much for joining us on yet another deep dive. And remember, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep diving deep, everyone.